In today's video, you'll learn the 3 simple ways to fund your self-directed IRA at Madison Trust. 1. Make a contribution. You can make an annual contribution by issuing a check, wire, or ACH to your Madison Trust IRA using our delivery instructions. It is recommended to submit our deposit information form and select annual contribution to inform us of your incoming deposit. 2. Transfer funds from another IRA. If you already have an existing IRA, you can perform a custodian-to-custodian transfer. This is a non-reportable action that moves funds or assets directly between institutions. Simply fill out our transfer authorization form to get started. 3. Rollover from a qualified retirement plan. If you have an existing qualified retirement plan, such as a 401k or 403b, you can roll these funds into your self-directed IRA. While rollovers are reported on IRS Form 1099-R, they typically do not trigger a taxable event when executed properly. There are 2 types of rollovers: direct and indirect. A direct rollover means funds are sent straight from your qualified plan to your self-directed IRA. To complete this, you'll coordinate with your current plan administrator and complete their rollover paperwork. They'll typically issue a check payable to Madison Trust Company Custodian FBO, your name, your Madison Trust account number. With an indirect rollover, funds are first sent to your personal account. You then have 60 days to deposit them into your self-directed IRA. If not completed within that window, the IRS considers it a distribution and you may face taxes or early withdrawal penalties. Once your IRA is funded using one of these methods, you're ready to start investing in alternative assets. Ready to gain control of your financial future? Schedule a free discovery call today. Want to learn more? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Experience exceptional service for your exciting investment opportunities at Madison Trust.